Hi, Anvesh Pathak here with Cisco Tech Firewall team. In this video, I want to show you how to send detailed configuration changes to syslog. Let's start with an overview. This feature allows FMC to not just send a summary but also detailed configuration changes to a syslog server. This enhancement helps meet compliance requirements by providing a comprehensive audit trail, ensuring that all changes are tracked and documented efficiently. Previously, customers had to log into FMC to view detailed configuration changes. This was a cumbersome process, especially for managed service providers, enterprise customers, and service providers. With this new feature, all changes are sent directly to Syslog server. The key updates include sending a detailed difference of changes, information about who made the changes, and when these changes were made. This can be done in JSON or API format, providing flexibility based on your needs. This feature greatly enhances the audit logging functionality by providing more granular details. You can choose to send configuration changes to syslog by enabling this option in audit log. This feature currently applies on on-prem FMC only and covers a subset of policies and objects. With plans to gradually expand the coverage, this means that over time more configuration will be supported, providing a even greater audit capabilities. To deploy this feature, ensure you have a syslog server to receive and process the logs, and that audit log to syslog is enabled. This feature supports Secure Firewall version 7.4 and all platforms that support FTD 7.4. With no specific licensing requirements, it's important to verify that your environment meets these prerequisites to ensure a smooth deployment. Let's walk through how to enable this feature. Navigate to Setting, then Configuration, and select Audit Log. Here, enable Audit Log to syslog and choose Send Configuration Changes option. Select either JSON or API and save your setting. This simple configuration change can significantly enhance your logging capabilities. By default, this new feature is disabled. After upgrading your FMC to 7.4, you need to manually enable it. It supports high availability configurations and settings that are backed up and restored along with other FMC configuration. This means that your detailed audit log settings will be preserved during system maintenance and upgrades. Let's see it in action. Here, we create a port object in FMC UI. The detailed audit log is sent to syslog server in JSON format, showing all the configuration changes. This JSON format provides a structured and readable way to view changes. Here's an example of a syslog message generated when you create a port object. You can see the detailed difference of the changes, including the old and new values for each field. This level of detail is essential for a thorough audit and troubleshooting. Alternatively, you can select the API option. This is the response from a API call showing the detailed configuration changes. You can use this data for further analysis or integration with other security tools. The API provides a flexible and powerful way to access detailed audit information. Thank you for watching.